Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best drone from Aliexpress. For this year I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and bold to see the price, sell, review. If you can buy this product, click the link below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to get the latest technology reviews. So let's get start the video. In at number 5 the best drone is XT1 Foldable FPV drone. The XT1 is a good beginner drone. It is small, light, foldable and portable. It has a lot of the features that you'd like to see on a beginner drone. It has altitude hold to help stabilize it. It has multiple speeds. It is definitely smaller and lighter and a totally different type of drone than the fully featured Mavic. So the beginner can adjust their skill level. Recently this drone price is $20.02. Overall I have been highly impressed with the build, flight time and comfort controlling, especially considering its budget price. In this drone there are some standard facilities such as the XT1 has headless mode and can do push button flips. You can even do takeoffs and landings with the push of a button. It can be controlled either using the included controller or by your smartphone via Wi-Fi. You'll also get a live video feed from the onboard camera on your phone. You can either fly first-person view or just use the video feed to see what pictures and videos you are recording. The camera is a 2-megapixel camera that is capable of taking 720-pixel video. It is HD quality. The pictures are good, particularly outdoors and in good light. You can tilt the camera upward and downward. Operate your drone through an app iOS or Android, offering you real-time image transmission, easy to shoot and read, fun to share. You can expect to get about 7 minutes of flight time. It has a typical range of 60 meters or so. Keep in mind that the Wi-Fi first-person view feed probably will be 50 meters or less, even though the range of the remote. The GPS system, long range, and gimbal-stabilized 4K camera make it the must-have drone of 2020. It is a Spark clone that is similar in price and features. Overall, it too is a solid beginner option. In at number 4 the best drone is Genie 520's drone. The Genie 520s is a smart quadcopter that serves beginners as well as experienced users alike. However, its most notable feature is the camera. This is the perfect solution for anyone that wants a high-quality aerial camera to capture their outdoor activities. First, it is affordable. Considering all the features that it comes with, we can say the price is a real steal. Recently this drone price is $50.99. About 4,321 people review this drone, more than 10,864 people ordered this drone. Overall I have been highly impressed with the build, flight time and comfort controlling, especially considering its budget price. This drone have some standing packaging are 5G Wisconsin Fi FPV real-time synchronous transmission, no need to worry about any interruption. The range can be 250 meters. The 4K HD camera can clearly capture every detail. GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone and providing automatic return. Follow to the GPS in your smartphone, ensuring your drone automatically follows and captures you wherever you go. Headless mode, altitude hold and one-key takeoff landing for easier operation. No need to worry about orientation, and with a simple press on the button, your drone will rise to a height or land. Equipped with a 1200 mAh high-performance battery, up to 16 minutes flying time, and 250 meters control distance, giving you a more pleasant flight experience. A perfect foldable design, lightweight and flexible blades make the drone small and portable, convenient to carry whenever in traveling or other outdoor activities. In at number 3 the best drone is Global FPV-RC quadcopter drone. This drone has all the new technology that makes it easy to operation. It is a masterful balance of portability, price, image quality, and convenience. The specifications of this drone, 2.4 GHz frequency, about 30 minutes flight time, about 45 meters remote distance, 4500 mAh battery etc. It provides headless mode, altitude hold, Wi-Fi first-person view mode, optical flow positioning, gesture photo, 3D flip, G-sensor, waypoint flight, 720-pixel HD camera, which makes operation much easier and safer for beginners. Recently this drone price is $36.89. Overall I've been especially inspired with the construct, flight time and luxury controlling, especially thinking about its variety price rate. In this drone there are some features like the drones with camera for adults is equipped with 720 pixel HD camera, which captures high-quality video and photos, take things to new highs, and enjoy a live video feed in high definition straight to your mobile device. The camera drone provides altitude hold. The drone's direction will be orientated to the direction of the pilot, one key takeoff and landing and emergency landing function. The drones with camera comes with two powerful 3.7 volts 500 mAh modular batteries in the Playing Toys drone whole set, which can support longer flight time for you. The modular design ensures the safety of charge and storage. This professional-grade carrying case is convenient and gives your video drone the all-round protection it needs. When the helicopter drone armor motor is broken, you can replace the drones for beginners by simple steps, then the drone will performance again. In at number 2, the best drone is SG700D Professional Foldable Drone. SG700 is one of the most affordable drone for traveling purposes. It is the newest edition award-winning drone. Specifications: this drone, about 80 minutes charging time, about 15 to 20 minutes flight time, 3.7 volts charging voltage. Recently this drone price is $40.50. About 108 people review this drone. More than 200 people ordered this drone. So, I count on that in this charge. This drone may be very appropriate. This drone have some standard facilities are sideward flight, turn left right up down, forward backward flight mode, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, one key takeoff landing, 3D flip, waypoint fly, headless mode, and also follow me option, and 4K wide angle camera. The 4K front camera and bottom optical flow camera are switchable, enabling you to have both wonderful real-time images transmission image from sky and the terrain situation under the aircraft. Within about 1 meter, you can use palm to manipulate the aircraft to go up and down. Allows you to order the camera to take a photo or record of video by just doing relative hand gesture. Click on the follow mode. The distance between aircraft and the current location of the controller is benchmark where the controller move, where the aircraft fly. A perfect foldable design, lightweight and flexible blades make the drone small and portable, convenient to carry whenever in traveling or other outdoor activities. In at number 1, the best drone is SG907 GPS Foldable Drone. This drone has all the new technology that makes it easy to operation. It is a masterful balance of portability, price, image quality, and convenience. Its technical specifications: an astonishing 120 minutes charging time, about 18 minutes flight time, about 500 meters remote distance, 7.4 volts 1500 mAh battery. It provides altitude hold, gravity sensor mode, speed modes, 1080 pixel HD camera, which makes operation much easier and safer for beginners. Recently this drone's price is $74.15. About 189 people review this drone. More than 477 people ordered this drone. So, I think that in this price, this drone will be very appropriate and effective. This drones have some amazing facilities together with the door has up down, turn left right, forward backward and also sideward flight mode. Importantly, this door has Wi-Fi connection, dual camera, follow mode, optical flow, one key to land takeoff, trajectory flying mode, speed switching, 3 control modes including joystick mode, classic mode and motion sensing mode. The high-resolution 4K camera with 90-degree adjustable angle and 5G Wi-Fi image transmission captures the most beautiful scenery and offers super sharp image. The optical flow position is mounted in the horizontal direction and the air pressure is set at a high altitude to achieve stable flying, making the picture clearer. Just choose the master mode and face the aircraft lens. After the target person is locked, the drone could always follow your steps and point the camera to you to catch your every move and take aerial photos. It allows you to draw your trajectory route on the app control interface, and the aircraft will automatically fly along the drawn trajectory with the current position. When facing the front lens of the camera, specified gestures can be recognized and connect to the camera function of the aircraft. You can take photos by victory gestures and shoot videos by box gestures or palm gestures. I request you, don't forget to subscribe and please share this video.